Hi Ray. So we'll just go through a few things. So on desktop you can see that it's the tick should be under there. Otherwise, the gap here has, I think it's grown. It should be the size of that gap there. So these buttons would come up a tiny bit. So everything comes up. That gap there should be, this gap here should be the same as that gap there. Should I go to responsive design mode? Okay, I'll open it up. Okay, so probably being a little bit fussy, but these are slightly indented. They should be out a little bit in line with this, if possible. And the text here should be in line with works. So you can see that as it carries over, it's not really a bulleted list because the text is going right back to here. It should be in line with the first letter of the sentence. The gap here is on tablet. It's really lengthy. So can we? Let's see. On tablet, this gap here. Can we put that gap underneath here and here as well? That will contract all of this so that there's not this big white space under here. So small gap here, small gap there. Okay, here. Yep, that's fine. That's great. Yep, that's so mobile's fine. It's the other tablet and desktop now. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, thanks Ray. Cheers.